Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking that play button. My name's Ashley if this is your first time here. And today's video, I am taking you guys along my cleaning and decluttering journey of finally tackling the rec room in our basement. The rec room in our basement has most definitely been a dumping ground since we've moved into this space approximately 10 months ago. So I'm finally gonna get to tackling it. It's way long overdue project. So I'm taking you guys along this journey with me. I'm hoping it will take not too long, mainly to declutter and clean the space. I am gonna do it in various phases. I made some really great notes, so it's time to put my notes into action. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. I hope you guys enjoy watching these clean with me, cleaning motivation videos, because I definitely do. Speaking of which, I need to go ahead and tackle my living room right now. My kiddo just got the newest Love Every box, which is right there, and it's a great one, by the way. So we finished playing with that. It's a Friday night, gonna tidy up the living room, get him on up to bed because we've already done showers and all that good stuff. But I just wanted to hop on here really quickly just to do a quick intro. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching the Clean With Me video. This is definitely part 1 of this series. So I hope you guys can follow me along this journey of cleaning and decluttering. Again, if you like these kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the kind of content that I have on my channel, subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.